Welcome to the Andaz Capital Gate, Abu Dhabi. This 5-star hotel is located just 15 minutes from the airport and is next to the Abu Dhabi National Exhibition Center. It holds the Guinness World Record for the farthest leaning tower with an 18-degree incline. Upon entering the building, guests have to take the elevator to the 18th floor. This gorgeous contemporary lobby sets a fantastic tone as we checked in. Complimentary drinks, coffee, and dates are provided for hotel guests. The Andaz is highly regarded in Abu Dhabi and has won various awards throughout the years.
We are at the Andaz Capital Gate in Abu Dhabi, and we are staying in the Capital Suite, room 2002. Let's check it out. So the first thing you want to do when you get in your room is put your hotel card in here, because that turns on the lights and the air conditioning. So here's a quick overview of the room. There's a nice office desk right here if you need to do any work or work on your computer. And look at our view. We have a view of the pool and a view of the city. Check that out. And right here, the living room has this large couch with another seat, a nice glass table, a huge Samsung TV with a Panasonic DVD player and a Bose sound system. So here's the remotes for all of those. And here is a remote for the curtains. The remote controlled. They're fancy like that here. Let's see what's in these cabinets. So the coffee and tea maker is here. There's your coffee and tea. And here are your mugs. So those are complimentary. And as with most Andaz properties we've stayed at, they provide complimentary drinks that are, the non-alcoholic ones are free. And the chips, and there's some date chocolates in here that are complimentary. But the alcohol, those are for a fee. And check out this brightly colored robe. And there's a card on here, and it says, "This robe is designed specifically for Andaz Capital Gate, Abu Dhabi, for you to wear within the hotel while you enjoy your Andaz experience." And you can purchase this if you want to once you check out. Now let's make our way to the bedroom. Here's a king-size bed with a big screen TV and more views of the city below. Check that out. It's very nice views here. And it has this large vanity mirror with a chair. And let's check out the closet space. So there's a safe, and the hair dryer is right there, and a bunch of storage shelves. And let's check out the other closet. It's a large closet, so you can fit quite a bit of luggage here. Bunch of hangers. And here's another colorful robe. And what else do they provide here? So they provide complimentary shoe shining service if you want to do that. Shoe mitts, a sewing kit, and a couple of slippers. Let's close those doors and make our way to this spectacular bathroom. Look at this view from up here. So here are the two sinks and this large mirror. They have some amenities down here. Let's check it out. So there's some toothbrushes, nail file, comb, shaving kit, cotton buds, mouthwash, and shower cap. And check out this view again. Look at this view. It's just amazing. All the windows in this suite make this so spectacular. And check out the bathtub. It's a large oval tub. Towel rack right there. And now let's check out the shower. It's a huge shower. So there's a rainfall shower and a handheld one right there. Close that door. And here is the regular bathrobes for when you shower. There's one right there, and there's another one on the other side right there. And here is the toilet with bidet. So that is a quick tour of our Capital Suite here at the Andaz Capital Gate in Abu Dhabi.
The staff dropped off these welcome treats after we settled in. Cyan is the hotel's signature restaurant serving specialty dishes from the French and Arab regions. We ate breakfast here every morning during our stay. The breakfast buffet featured a variety of dishes ranging from Arab dishes, French pastries, and traditional American offerings. Guests can also order from the small menu, which is included with the buffet. Breakfast was good, and the views made it even better. Relax at the Andaz Lounge by the lobby with its comfortable lounge-style seating. It offers an extensive spread of premium teas, coffees, fresh pastries, and snacks. "18 Degrees Bar" located by the lobby is the ideal venue for pre- and post-dinner drinks in a fun and interactive environment. The outdoor deck features unparalleled views of the city while enjoying food and drinks with family and friends. Take advantage of the hotel's wellness amenities at Rayana Spa. The separate men's and women's bathrooms have lockers, showers, as well as a sauna. The spa features treatment packages for singles as well as for couples. Artwork is at the heart of this modern hotel. Guests will appreciate more than 250 aesthetic art pieces displayed across the hotel, inspired by regional culture and envisioned by local artisans. Enjoy working out at the 24-hour fitness center overlooking Abu Dhabi and its coastline. It features techno gym equipment as well as free weights. Relax and take in views of Abu Dhabi and the Arabian Gulf from the outdoor pool deck on the 19th floor. Grab some snacks and refreshments at the bar, or you can shoot a round of pool at the game room by the pool deck. We really enjoyed our stay at this modern hotel. The staff was very welcoming and everything about the Andaz was immaculate and looked brand new. The only negative thing is the main downtown area is a 25-minute taxi ride away. Otherwise, we highly recommend staying at this fantastic property. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking and subscribing to our channel so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.